So hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video I'm going to share with you 5 resources which I really like and which people have used for their NEET UG entrance preparation for the subject, particularly biology. Okay, see, there are a lot of resources, and I don't want to just give you all the resources and then choose yourself. I'm going to tell you 5 resources and I'm going to tell you how to choose which resource to choose or not. Okay, so let me tell you. Okay, the first is Neela Bakore tutorials. When I was preparing for new NEET UG few years back, at that time we didn't had so many of these YouTubers explaining all this YouTube content. We had very few, and Neela Bakore ma'am's lectures were just started at that time. Like they had I guess 4 or 5 lectures, 4 or 5 topics on chapters, and they were really good. I really liked those chapters because she actually explained everything on a whiteboard, so it is easy to make notes. And now she has a website on there. She has also added few test papers, so you can visit that too. All the link to everything is there in the description, as well as on my website Bokeshi. Okay, so you can watch her videos. Okay, and they're very good for medical entrance, and they are really detailed lectures. Okay, now for another YouTube channel which I want to share, so I'm only sharing 2 YouTube channels with you. There are a lot of YouTube channels, but I don't want to just give you all the material which is available, so I just will tell you what are the best resources which I really liked. Okay, so the next is the Biomentors classes online. In that there is a Dr. Gitendra sir. His lectures are also great, and like basically the special thing about his lectures is that you will see that all the slides are based on NCERT, and he's explaining everything from the NCERT only. Okay, so you will really enjoy it. So basically for YouTube channels I have given you two options. One is Neela Bakore ma'ams, and one is Biomentors. For Biomentors I'll tell you one more thing. If you want because I'm only talking about free material here, so for free you will only get the previous year's content. Okay, if you want the latest content, for that you have to pay, but don't worry, the previous year content is also as good as is the latest content. Okay, unless and until the syllabus change or something happens, it is going to be the same. Okay, so how to choose between Neela Bakore ma'am and Biomentors classes. So basically Neela Bakore ma'am's lectures are a bit detailed, and they are in English, and Biomentors classes he actually talks with you in your common tongue, so you will understand Biomentors classes more easily if you have a little bit language difficulty or you just want to enjoy the lectures. Okay, so basically on the basis of language you can choose whether which you want. Okay, so or you can stick to one, and then if you have doubts in any one, then you can refer to the other one. You can do that also. Okay, so I would when I was the student, then I had never used Biomentors classes. I actually, because the lectures were not that much, and I used Neela Bakore ma'am for few lectures, and for the rest of them I had my coaching, as well as I used international resources which I have shared with you in other videos. Okay, so I guess these two video resources are okay. So these are the first 2 resources. Okay, now for video I am also going to tell you one more thing. If you visit Bokeshi, my website, then there is a section on biology where I have shared topic wise best videos. Okay, so for topic like for diversity, then I have shared best videos, but they are really advanced videos. If you really want to understand the subject, then you can go there, but they are not particularly for NEET. They are for international. If you understand biology, they are for biology, not for NEET biology specifically. Okay, but you can not pay, you can just go visit the website. Okay, so it's not paid, it's free, everything. Take it. Okay, so these were the YouTube channels. I'm not sharing any more YouTube channels with you. Okay, the next I'm coming to is the question papers. So if you want question papers, if you want, because for NEET preparation you definitely require some question papers, right? So I'm going to share you with you 2 websites. Okay, one is Gaily question papers and the other is GNEET question papers. So total 4 resources we have covered. Okay, Gaily question papers, so it is one of the best free MCQ tools. So basically what happened is that if you watched a video, then and you read the chapter from your textbook, after that you open the website, and for every chapter there are few tests which are made, and they all are NCERT based chapters, so tests, so you won't be wasting your time, don't worry. Okay, and so you can do that. Okay, so it's all free. Okay, and but I would advise you to keep it for your revision and not do it chapter wise, because for chapter wise I have another source, and that is GNEET Study Companion for NEET. In GNEET Study Companion, again MCQs are there, but the amount of MCQs that GNEET has is one of the maximum number of questions. I used it in my time, and the questions are really good, and most of them are NCERT based, so you won't be wasting your time, because for per topic you may get 200 to 300 questions, 400 to 500 questions per topic also. So the questions are really there is a huge amount of questions. So all the links are there on my website, okay, as well as in the description of this video, okay. So you will really enjoy doing these questions. And like, if for every chapter, like for neurology, if you have done like 300 400 questions, then definitely you are going to remember it. The chapter will get imprint on your brain, right? So there are huge amount of questions, and you will really enjoy it, okay. Now we just need one more source, and that is for previous year test papers. Now there are books for previous year test papers, like but when I was a student, I actually got them from my coaching institute. Okay, I'm not telling you which coaching institute I went, okay. So but if you don't want that, then free previous year test papers are available in CBT format. Means you will log into the test papers, and you will give it like how you used to give it earlier. So how students have give it earlier, so you will be giving in the same way, okay. So for that, I am referring to Exam Bazaar. Exam Bazaar is also very good blog. It's a proper blog. Like I have Bukeshi, but it is only for like specific Indian exams. Mine is a bit broad in terms of some freelancing, but his website is a bit medical exams and Indian exams based, okay. So you can solve them at home, and you will really understand how much you have achieved after you solve them, okay, because all they are original papers, and they are all in the CBT format, okay. So I hope you like this video. I hope you love these 5 resources, and they're really going to help you if you prepare from them. So and if you find any other resource which is better than then definitely comment down below, and I will definitely add it in my website. So keep helping others, and God bless you, and take care, and best of luck for your future.